Welcome to Week 4 podcast on some essential English language skills. First, let's understand how to use the es and the are in a sentence. We use the es with singular nouns and the are with plural nouns. For example, there is a book on the table, or there are 3 pens in the pencil case. Next, prepositions of place. These words describe the location of an object or person. For example, the dog is under the desk, or the laptop is next to the iPad. Then, let's learn how to make questions using how much, how many, and would you like? We use how much when we talk about a quantity of something uncountable, such as, how much sugar do you want in your coffee? On the other hand, we use how many for uncountable items like, how many oranges are there on the table? Lastly, the phrase, would you like, is used to ask someone if they want something like, would you like a cup of coffee? Moving on, let's talk about the present simple of have got. We use it to talk about possession or relationships. For example, I've got a car, or she has got 2 brothers. The preposition at is used to show a specific point in time. For instance, I'll meet her at 7 o'clock, or class starts at 8 a.m. Finally, the conjunction because is used to explain the reason or cause for something. For example, she did not come to work because she was sick. That's it for today. I hope you found this podcast helpful. Remember, it's important to practice these skills regularly to improve your English language proficiency. Thanks for listening. Ciao!